over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. And that bitch, I ain't even gonna hold you. And that bitch, and I thought that it's...
Hey, what's your man, it's Barbie, and I am back with another video for return subscriber. Hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the bougie crew, because it's the bougie way, no way, period. Today I am back with another video. This is XRSBEAUTY Hair. So let me tell you about XRSBEAUTY. I feel like this is like the best company that you could get a wig from, honestly, respectfully, because like their hair is so perfect, and not even the hair, like the lace is like so clear. So this is like their clear lace. They customize the hairline for you to make it look very, very natural, and they also bleach the knots as well. That's why when I was parting it in the video, look how good the parts just look. Like, you don't even gotta do nothing to the parts. Like, this is crazy. Like, I don't know, I think this is like one of my favorite companies to work with, because they literally have the best wigs, the best lace. Y'all know if the lace is not good, the wig is not gonna be good. So you gotta have good lace in order to have a like perfectly laid wig, like literally. So want to see how I got this look? Make sure you continue watching, and if you like this wig, make sure you check out the link in my description to go get it and use the discount code to save some money. And let's go ahead and get into the motherfucking video, period. So this is the lace, very clear. Look how it came pre-plucked. Very natural hairline, very clear lace. Knots are bleached, and it's just gonna be super easy for me to install this wig. Again, so here's a close-up of me with the wig on my head, not even laid down. It's perfect. It's perfect. Just look at it. It's pre-plucked. Look at the hairline. Perfect. Like my real hair. Y'all, look how just, oh my god. In 2D, yeah. Like, oh my god, this really look like my real hair. That's so crazy. I love it. Alexa, volume 10.